In this video, you'll learn how to automatically send a message to a Microsoft Teams channel whenever a new item is created in a SharePoint list. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your team instantly informed about new entries without manual updates. Imagine you have a SharePoint list where your team logs new requests, tasks, or issues. Whenever someone adds a new item, you want the whole team in Teams to get notified right away. That's exactly what we'll automate using Power Automate. Open Power Automate and create a new automated cloud flow. Search for the trigger called when an item is created. Then select your SharePoint site and your list. Next, add an action, post a message in a chat or channel. Under Post As, choose FlowBot. Under Post In, select Channel. Then pick your team and the channel where you want the message to appear. In the message box, you can use dynamic content from your SharePoint item, such as title, created by, or priority. For example, you can write, "A new item has been added to the list." Save your flow and test it by creating a new item in your SharePoint list. Within seconds, you'll see an automatic message appear in your Teams channel. And that's it, your SharePoint list is now connected to Teams. Every time a new item is created, your team will be notified automatically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on Power Automate for SharePoint and Teams. See you in the next one.